So you're using RV Life Trip Wizard to plan the ultimate RV adventure. But what if you happen to have a convoy? Let me show you how you can keep you and your colleagues on track and on the same route using that one trip that you planned. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. To do this, you and whoever you send your trip to will need an active RV Life Pro subscription. After you find a few amazing places to go and added them to your trip planner, we're going to set up our round trip. We can either mirror the stops back. In this case, we're going to return to start. And you can see our trip is planned. Heading back up the trip tools, click Share Trip and select Share Trip with another RVTW user. We will now enter the email address of the person that we want to send our trip to. And once you press send, you will see a notification saying that your trip has been shared. The individual or individuals that you send your trip plans to will receive an email, and the email states that this trip will be added to your tentative trips. After they log into the RV Life Trip Wizard platform, click Go to Planner, and you will see under Tentative Trips that the trip has been added. That's about it. It's that simple. After opening the trips, you will see a carbon copy of what was sent, but it doesn't need to stop there. Once you receive the trip, you can make changes, such as dragging a route. Maybe even add a stop. You can do that. And once you make your changes, head back up to Trip Tools and share the trip back with the one who sent it to you. Now everybody stays in sync. And that's gonna do it for this video. And if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.